Restream. We are live.
Yeah, just want to check out. How's the market going, Stone?
Currently, right now, the gold is very strong on my 1 hour chart, as you can see there on the screen. But this is a 1 hour chart. Obviously, now it's going sideways. There's no clear direction. But the gold overall has been very, very powerful. It had a powerful run today, especially woke up today. The uptrend was very strong for gold, and now it's going sideways on the 1 hour chart, of course. Calling it the undecided, but I think that's because there are some investors who are still picking up on the trend. And once they pick up on the trend, obviously the trend may continue going up. So we might see gold going as high as $3,500 roundabout, back to those levels where it was during the trade wars of Donald Trump between China and America, where gold became a safe haven and the investors rushed into commodities, including silver, including raw materials as a form of investment. Now, gold is no longer sort of like a safe. It was for a short time. Gold slipped down last week and then came back up this Monday. Now a sideways trend on the 1 hour chart.
So, so people are no longer buying like investing in. They're pulling money out of the other assets, buying back into Bitcoin, into gold, like what we saw in the last 2 months.
Yeah, that safe haven is back again. So riskier assets, they are riskier, like the word says, like your Dow Jones, due to US rates being taken down. There are also fundamentals, news that are affecting this about gold going up. And on the other side, the dollar has caught fever where it's going down. So gold prices rise, as the article says. I need to just try and share this here, share this. Just give me a second. Yeah, as you can see on the article, gold prices rise as US rating downgrade fuels haven demand. So this US rating, Moody's US rating, when the rating is high, it's good thing, which means the government can borrow from investors money at a lower rate, at a lower interest rate. But now, when the US rating is downgraded or taken down, that means the dollar goes down and gold goes up, and then the market becomes riskier. People pulling back into the much safer haven. It's not only gold that you see here. As you can see, all gold-backed assets. This is GCHCSI. All gold-backed assets are gaining strength or have gained strength today. And other commodities, silver, iron ore as well, also gained. This is according to fundamentals. This is according to the news that.
Okay, today is Monday. Tell me, what's your prediction of today is Monday? What's your prediction of the gold prices by the end of this week? Are we still gonna see the gold rising up, or it's gonna come down?
Okay, all I can say is this: the market, gold is volatile. Gold is very, very volatile these days, especially with the situation with the Trump and China trade wars. Anything is possible from here on. No trader in the world can tell you what is going to happen by the end of this week because anything can happen. Anything can happen from gold in the markets. The trend, all I can say, the only thing that I'm expecting from the market, especially gold precisely, I am expecting volatility. Very high volatility is gonna make gold move. As long as the gold is moving, traders are happy. Volatility, friend of the market. There will be traders that will be making money. There will be traders that will be losing money. Investors as well. So to be honest with you, it's a hard one to predict how gold is gonna be looking like. It can be looking good today, but there is a likelihood that it may end up going on a much downtrend. So it's hard to predict this kind of situation with regards to gold.
All right. So, what is making gold to move so much, especially these days? It looks like it's fluctuating
Yeah,
a lot. Is it the Trump situation, Trump trade war, or it's just general movements of gold? What are the fundamentals that are pushing gold upwards?
yeah, it's gold being the number one commodity, if I should say, out of many commodities, beyond silver, beyond gold is the most popular commodity that people mostly are invested in. Gold is still irrelevant. If you remember, gold was, there was a time when the economies of the world lived according to the gold standard. So it has been relevant. Historically speaking, gold has been relevant. It has been a relevant haven for investors. If you look at the past history of the gold charts, you can see for yourself that gold has been relevant. It has been trading. It's not something new that you see on the gold, but as soon as gold was, I think, back in the 70s, when gold was taken down and became no longer the standard or no longer the international standard for the world to trade by, then the dollar came in. The gold became even more volatile than ever because now it became an investment tool, an investment asset where people can just buy gold and sort of like buy and hold it. And they waited for the value. The value even went up, skyrocketed in some point levels. So I wanted to see some historical charts of gold, but I'm gonna try and get that information. But gold has been volatile ever since. Now, what makes the gold more volatile is just that overall the market is volatile, but gold is more volatile because it's the number one safe haven. I can tell you even crypto is volatile as well, just as gold, but gold has been volatile more than crypto as well. So the volatility on gold is massive. Shows that gold is still the powerhouse of all investments, especially when you speak of safe havens and such things of that investment platforms.
All right. Since you're talking about safe haven, um, isn't crypto, Bitcoin per se, a safe haven? Why would people choose gold over Bitcoin? Um, the introduction of Bitcoin a few years
Yeah,
back, it portrayed, you know, a picture that it's a digital
yeah,
gold. Actually, it was branded digital gold. Um,
yeah.
are the people still on the same sentiment when it comes to that sentiment of portraying Bitcoin as a digital gold?
Yeah. Well, okay. Gold and crypto, they represent two different levels of trust. Now, remember, with crypto, there is also regulations. Crypto is still new. There is still skepticism. There is still, if I could
Yeah, yeah. No, I'm still listening. Yes.
should say, hackers has struggled for a very for some time to get approval. In some countries, crypto is still illegal, like in China. In China, you are not allowed to trade crypto, but the blockchain technology is allowed, but not crypto. In some countries, crypto is not trusted as much as it is in some countries, in some parts of the world, like in the United States. The SEC in the United States had a back and forth with some of the cryptocurrencies. Gold is gold. There's only one gold. It's not broken down. Gold will just be gold. Crypto has many, it's diverse. Crypto is a diverse asset, if I should say. It has Bitcoin, it has Ethereum, it has XRP, it has many other projects that fall under crypto. Some of these projects have once come up and then they turned out to be what they call shit coins or shit projects. People have invested thousands and thousands on crypto whereby they have lost money because of the volatility or because of fake or scams or projects that have failed that seem to be promising. So crypto being a young asset, still young, but yet it's booming because it's digital gold. In terms of people thinking that it is still the same sentiment, yes, it is still the digital gold. And Bitcoin right now trading 104,000 currently. It's the most powerful currency. And the reason why crypto is so strong against the gold is the fact that you can buy with crypto. You can still use crypto to buy things in the form of exchange. There are people who are very skilled in crypto. So you can understand that these are two different asset classes. One can be named digital gold, the other can be named gold, as in traditional gold. Gold is for keepsake, is for more investments. You cannot buy with gold unless maybe you are looking for an exchange for money with gold, whereas you have real gold. But at some point, gold, uh, okay, I just want to show the chart. Yes, I think I'm off, right off the chart, but at some point, as I was saying, gold, just want to share my screen again. Just allow me to share.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. You can share your screen. Um. Okay.
I just want to, it takes time.
Is there anything that I have to do on my side to?
No, 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 you don't have. It's my. I am the one who is messing. The one who has to do things.
Okay.
I have to do the maneuvering. It's coming. I believe it's on the screen right now. I just want to go back to the live. Mm, okay. Oh, it's not sharing. I don't know.
My name is Romeo.
Mr. Abdul, is it sharing on your side?
No, it's not sharing. Nothing is sharing on my side.
Mm, no. Wait, just give me a second. Now my Google is not responding.
Hey guys, how are you? We're just testing the system to see if we can start doing our live stream here. So yeah, be part of us. Please follow my account, Alson Mapena, so that whenever we go live, you can always get a notification. We'll be sharing a lot of stuff here pertaining the markets, how to trade the cryptocurrency market, the forex market, the opportunities that are found on the markets. So yeah, follow my account for more stuff. So yeah, today is we are just testing our systems, testing our um, TikTok how it's working and stuff. Uh, yeah, yeah. Share Stone.
Okay,
You
I'm
can even
still
ask some.
struggling with my system. Uh, ish, sorry about that, guys. You know what? My system can be so lost. I don't know. Can you still see me on your side, Mr. Mapina? Mr. Mapena? Because, okay, where am I? Why is it now doing its own thing? Restream? Alright. Alright, I can see myself. You know what? I can see here my chart is on the side. And
Okay, there we go. There we go.
oh, yes. Yes. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm something on my side. So also, I can see on the screen that currently BTC is trading at $104,000 per coin. But yeah, these are two different asset classes. One is very, very old. One you can you can still go and mine it in the mine using manpower, using machines, and still extract it. This one uses digital machining, where you can just mining you can using, and now the system is changing to from proof of work to proof of stake, where people are stakeholders, where they can create bitcoins and cryptocurrencies. So that is the core difference, and that is why they have rather be different. So commodities, cryptocurrencies, a new asset class, commodities, gold and silver, an older asset class. Yes, that's my explanation.
Romeo.
Uh, we still like this.
Oh yes, I'm just trading here, checking some trades.
Yeah. live trading.
Hi.
No, there is a system that I'm testing. So this system that I'm testing,
Yeah.
I'm communicating with the developer here.
Oh,
Sometimes Notice. No. Nothing. Nothing.
I'll check it from your computer if we can see that we are live. I'll check it from your.
okay. Let me just check.
I wanted to say check from your phone.
Let me just check. Okay, views. Let me just check the views.
Get mistress. Says you're gonna. Akuloku tukuzolwa. Thina abangani bakho
Yes, unobuthongo Stone.
thina abangani bakho.
No,
Your friends.
All right. Let's connect again tomorrow. Let's connect again tomorrow.
okay, sure.
All right. This is Gold. Hello, bra. Hi. How are you, sir? Let's connect again tomorrow. Let's check. Let's check it again tomorrow. All right.